About Roger Clemons, 2 days into his perjury trial about lying to Congress, a mistrial. The prosecution shows video of testimony that talked about Andy Pettit's wife. The judge barred it. They weren't allowed to talk about Andy Pettit's wife talking about steroids because it was hearsay. A major bungle here by the prosecution.
Right. The prosecution made a mistake. And the judge, this could be a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-month trial. The judge in the second day didn't want to take a chance of a tainted trial, of a reversal on appeal. So he just said, second day in, this could be a major mistake. Let's just call this whole thing off. Most of the time, the judge would just admonish the jury. Disregard this evidence. The prosecution made a mistake. But in this case, he felt it was so significant and so prejudicial against Roger Clemons.
That's the thing. Do you think it was a mistake? Come on, it was the prosecution's best move. They were like, listen, Andy Pettit said, and he told his wife, and we want to get it to the jury, but the judge said no, so we'll do it this way.
No. A prosecutor does not do that. And the judge said, look, this was a mistake that a first-year law student would not make. Okay, lawyers make mistakes, judges make mistakes. It happened. The judge didn't want to take a chance. The issue is, does double jeopardy attach, and will this bar the prosecution from bringing another case against Roger Clemons?
So
and the answer is no, it shouldn't be. You can't let criminals go free because of a prosecutorial mistake. In this case, and perhaps an honest mistake, dishonest or honest, who knows for sure, but are we going to let criminals go because the prosecutor shows evidence that was ruled inadmissible, an accident, a mistake? That's not good public policy.
Well, a lot of people are listening to you going, criminals? It's a congressional thing with the steroids and the,
but
a lot of people think it's a waste of money. A lot of people think that.
And the judge even noted that, said, look, this is a big waste of taxpayer money. A judge is a judge in a court of law. A judge is not a politician. That is outside the purview of a judge's discretion. The fact that it's a waste of taxpayer money, that was an inappropriate comment by the judge.
She said, I'm sorry to waste taxpayers' money.
Absolutely. Wow. All right. Thank you, Ivan. We'll see you next Friday at this time and be right back as the KRON 4 Morning News continues.